It's your girl Mona Cherie, and I'm back with another video. Today I want to show y'all how to do these Bantu knots, as y'all see in the title already. So yeah, today I'm gonna do Bantu knots. I haven't done Bantu knots since I first started growing out my hair when I was transitioning. So yeah, I could insert a picture right here how my Bantu knots look when I was transitioning. So yeah, I haven't done them in a very long time, and my hair is much longer now. So we're gonna see how this play out. I'm gonna do it a different way today. I want to do triangle parts instead of like regular block parts, and they're gonna be bigger Bantu knots. I'm also going to be using rubber bands in this tutorial. So you're gonna need rubber bands, you're gonna need an oil, and a comb. It doesn't matter if it's one of these or a rat tail comb to help you part. But yeah, before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notification bell so you can keep getting notified every time I post a new video. Yeah, I'm finally getting that down. I'm getting that down easy now. But yeah, so we're gonna be started on blowed out, braided out hair. And I just took the braids out literally like 5 minutes ago. So yeah, we're gonna be starting like this. All right guys, so I have went ahead and put my hair in sections already, but I went back and referenced the picture that I was looking at to kind of mimic the parts that I want. So what I'm gonna have to do is I had to take both of this front part down so I can get this middle part section before I do the outsides. So I'm trying to find somewhere to put this oil in. I think I'm gonna use like a eyelash top to just put the oil in there so I can soak the rubber bands in it. So something like this is clear. Taking some argan oil, doesn't matter what kind of oil, and just putting it inside this. It doesn't have to be a lot, just enough for a couple rubber bands to sit inside of it. Yeah, so my rubber bands are in the oil. I'm gonna tie this back part off. I'm gonna use a clip though. So we're gonna do the front first because that's the part that really everyone is gonna see. I need to make sure this section right here is clean though. So part behind the ear, about here. Yeah. So hair is parted off in the front. I'm about to go ahead and make the sections. So I'm just gonna pull my hair back here. This is the middle of my head, so I'm gonna take hair from here. You want to make a triangle, so I know I'm doing this right. Alright guys, so for the hair in the back, I'm really not even worried about putting triangles back there because I can't see really. So I think I might just do blocks. Yeah, I think I might just do blocks back there, because the way I want my hair to lay, I don't want the Bantu knots to be like, you know, keeping me from sleeping. So I'm gonna put them like on the outside, right here, so I can like lay flat on the back of my head. And if you don't know, this hairstyle is for my meet tomorrow. And if you've been watching my channel long enough, then you know that I high jump. So when you high jump, you have to land on a mat, and you essentially land on your shoulders, but your head is in there too. So I don't want to put any Bantu knots on the back of my head, like in the middle. So you guys, I really wanted to do this hairstyle like later on in the season, but I put a little voting thing on Instagram, and a lot of people voted for this hairstyle. So I was like, all right, they want me to do the Bantu knots this week, so I'm gonna do the Bantu knots. This part of my hair not lining up with what this side doing, and I don't like that. Look at that, because this whole side, this not even going back, like it's not going down. I don't know. My hair crazy, bro. Like I swear this side not like this side. Well, next things next, everything section out, everything looking good, you know. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm about to get my edge control. This time I'll be using Hicks Edges edge control, because the other one that I had, I could use that one, but I just felt like it was so shiny, like. So yeah, I'm gonna use Hicks Edges this time. I'm gonna start with, do I want to start with the front or do I want to start with the back? That's a hard decision, but I think I'm gonna start with the back. Taking my Hicks Edges, I'm just gonna take a little bit on my finger, not even a little bit, I gotta put my fingernail in there to get it out. That is, and I'm gonna put it all on the base of the hair. Ooh, oh my goodness, this stuff is so stiff, it's just falling. Okay, let me put it on my hair already. So I wish I had some jam though, I'm not gonna lie, because jam is so good. But the reason we taking the edge control is so that the base of the hair can look smooth and the parts can be clean. So I'm just gonna take it all the way around my hair. Maybe even use a brush to like smooth it a little bit. Yeah, smooth it on all sides. So taking a rubber band from the oil that has been sitting, I'm just gonna, not too tight, put the rubber band on my section of hair. I probably loop it twice. Maybe 3 times. I'm just gonna go through and do this to all my hair, just so it'll be a quicker process instead of like doing one at a time. And my baby hair right here throwing me off. I probably should have left that out. Yeah, I'm gonna take that out. After that little long session of parting and rubber banding off hair, I am finally done with that part. So now I'm about to pull this side back and put a scrunchie on it so that I can work on this side. I'm gonna take this top part and put it in another scrunchie. And now I'm about to work with the back part. So this part is actually very loose. It's looser than I want it to be, but that's okay. So I'm just me a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna go back through it with my comb a little bit because it got a little bundled up under the other hair. We're gonna start rolling it as such, and then taking it around. You want to make sure you keep it centered so that you can curl all the other hair underneath it. Hopefully this, I haven't done these in a while like I told y'all, so you know how good I'm gonna get it. So that's one. So being a little different this time, I'm gonna take another rubber band over top of this. I'm gonna put it on the base and then just wrap it around the top as well so that it's secure. It seems to be very secure, so I'm gonna just, I think I wanna put another one on there too. Just put it right here. Yeah, it's not moving. So that's what I'm gonna do for all the other pieces. I'm gonna wrap them around and then I'm gonna add a rubber band on top of them so that they stay in while I'm jumping. Okay, so I'm gonna talk y'all through this while I do this section right here. So basically what I'm doing is I'm taking it the opposite direction, away from my face. Just taking a little bit at a time. No, actually, it's this way. Yeah, the opposite direction, away from my face. So yeah, you just get one little ball going and then hold that right there. It's gonna take a little practice, but like you can twist it while you're holding it. So I like to do mine like this. I twist with one hand, and then I take the hair and I roll it some more. Yeah, roll it some more. And then as soon as it gets like this, I just take the rest of the hair in my hand and I start rolling it some more. And I just keep doing that over and over again. So get to the end of it and you just basically start wrapping it underneath each other. So you want to make sure you like kind of lifting it while you're wrapping so that it's like securing it underneath the actual Bantu. That's not supposed to be in there. Yeah, but you don't want to make it too tight. So like after a certain point, I would just keep rolling it around, and then, but it doesn't matter because we're going to secure this with a rubber band anyway. This one looks taller than this one, but I think I have more hair on this side. So, but it looks pretty much identical. The levels are a little off, but that's okay. Bantu knots aren't supposed to look perfect. So now I'm just taking my rubber band and moving it down to the base of the Bantu. And I'm just gonna do a little twist here and then take it on top and let it land where it's gonna land. I just want to make sure that the bottom part is secure. I might need to add another one though. At most I'm adding like 2 rubber bands because I don't want it to move or come out while I'm jumping. That seems pretty good. So we have reached the end of our video, and I'm gonna let y'all check out the finished product before I go. Yeah, so this is what I'm looking like. It came together very nicely. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel so that you can keep getting my content, because I'm about to be doing all these videos that y'all like, and that's period. We in the new year. I told y'all I was coming hard. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Do not forget to comment so I know y'all like this hairstyle.